Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. And I'll be showing you guys how to make these beautiful Valentine's Day glasses. So I hope you enjoy. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what I do have here is two separate glues. I have the Super Fabric and the E6000, along with my alcohol, my gemstones, and paper towels to wipe down my flute. Oh, and also I have tweezers instead of a gemstone pick-upper because it didn't even cross my mind to be out and actually pick one up. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and disinfect and wipe down my champagne flute with this paper towel. And yes, this alcohol did get a little messy, got everywhere, but anyway, I managed to get through with it anyway. And I did put too much alcohol on my champagne flute, so I had to dry it off a little bit, so that's okay. I thought I was gonna do also a wine glass with the pink hearts on it, but being at the fact that I don't have another wine glass, I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and do this flute, because I thought that I had one at home, and come to find out I didn't. So it didn't cross my mind to go out and get another one. So anyway, we're just going to get it popping with this champagne flute anyway, and plus it's a little bit more easier and, you know, less hectic. Not saying I don't enjoy it, but we're just going to work with the champagne flute. I love this flute anyway, it's so pretty. So guys, enjoy this video. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I'm trying to make a bow out of this ribbon, but it was actually a little bit too small. And I just did not like the way it'll sit as far as like when I try to make a bow, all it'll do is just kind of like fall down. It wouldn't really stay up like my other champagne flute, how the ribbon, kind of kept its like shape and kept its place. But this one right here, this was like a lazy ribbon. So I didn't like this one. And I thought I could try it out. But, I just said, you know what, forget it. I'm not even going to waste my time. And yes, it is kind of a struggle working with these nails that I just got done today. But, hey, we'll continue the video anyway, and we'll put something else on there. Okay, so you guys like how I just did that? I put a thick ribbon inside the cup to give it that, nice little rose look in there. Yeah, I thought that was so pretty. I just came up with that right there on the spot. So I just said, you know what, let me go ahead and just put this little red ribbon to make it a little bit more, stand out-ish. But I shouldn't have did that with all my wine glasses and my flutes, but this is actually really pretty, and it's Valentine's Day, so shoot, why not go all out? Why not freestyle a little bit, Okay, enjoy, y'all. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial, my Valentine's Day tutorial. I got my glasses here, and I really want to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to all the lovers out there and all the friends out there that's handing out gifts for the Valentines. So again, you guys are my Valentines, and I truly do appreciate you guys for supporting me thus far in this YouTube thing. So again, if you are new to my channel, my name is Shishi. Welcome. And for those who already know who I am, thank you for watching. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun, making my Valentine's tutorial. So again, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Again, happy Valentine's Day.